Good afternoon, people. Welcome back. I've got a Macbook Retina A1502 here. The problem what I have here is it powers on, chimes, it boots to Mac iOS through an external monitor via the HDMI port, but there's no display. Okay, now I've tested all the testing points where there should be a boost backlight. There's no backlight voltage, and there's no 3 volt voltage present on anywhere on the pin. Now for that to happen, obviously the Mac motherboard will have to see the screen. If you can't communicate with the screen, you're not going to have those voltages present. I've also done a short to ground check on it with the multimeter set to diode mode and the red probe onto the ground, and also probing around these points where the voltages should be present. There's no short to ground, everything reading fine. So where is the problem? Aha, see this? See this? That's a burn mark. That's a burn mark. So let me show you what's going on here. Okay, let's. You're going to struggle a little bit because of this stupid vision engineering microscope. And hand on heart, if I had the chance to sort of return this thing, I would have long returned it. Yes, it's brilliant for eye fatigue, but it's not the best for this type of work. Only because of the range of work range is very little when you start using a high magnification. Plus, I wanted a camera that a microscope that's with a camera built in. Look at that. You can quite easily see the burn. Zoom in. Yeah, I'm gonna have trouble. Okay, and then you look at the state of the LVDS connector. Let me get that on camera as well. Look at the state of that. Alright, so now I've already got the cable, no problem. But the difficulty is replacing this connector, because this connector is actually on this strip, and the back of that strip is where there's laser edged ribbon that sort of attaches and it goes onto the LCD, and that sort of distributes all your images and everything else basically. So the difficulty is that I've got to find a way of removing this connector without having to damage those joints basically. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to wait for those connectors to come. Once they're here, I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, the summary basically is that if you're suffering from issues like this, what I've described, pay attention to this, because it seems like the LCD is not communicating with the board. So yeah, that's all really. Not sort of a repair that I'm looking forward to, but yes, there is a reward if I can get this fixed. Yes, there is a reward. I'm not going to discuss about that, but yes, there is a reward for this, basically a good reward. MacBook repairs are not done for cheap anyway, so that's that. Have fun, and yeah, I don't have this magic wand, by the way. Yeah, I've still got this. I wish I can just sort of use this to put a magic spell on it to fix it for me. No, I have to work hard to try and sort of get these things fixed here basically. So that's that. I'll keep you guys posted, and once those connectors are here, if I can record, I will record. If not, I will let you know how I've gone about replacing this connector without having to damage the LCD and the ribbons at the back of that pad basically, that PCB here, this bit here. Alright, so have fun guys, look after yourself, stay well, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.